guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I go by the name Tsuloko Ushu. If you are a regular, thank you very much for coming back for Vlogmas episode 2. Right, today is day 2 of our Vlogmas, and I like to say we are making progress. Hey, I know it's only been 2 days, but we are making progress, guys. Vlogging is not pap and milk. Hey, vlogging the same day, editing the same day, uploading the video the same day so that it's available the next day. Yo guys, what did I get myself into? But like I said, I will survive. Ke ikgolegile, as Kaone said, are ke ikgolegile. And I am planning to deliver come hello high waters. Okay, well, plans for today, I have 1 makeup client and 2 wig installation clients, and then after that I'm just gonna be washing the brushes and preparing for tomorrow, ironing my uniform, making sure that everything is ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow I am traveling to Bloemhof because I have clients there. I'm gonna be doing 3 clients, or in the morning I have 5:30 client, 5:30 appointments, and then I've got 3 people in Bloemhof, and then I'm gonna have to come back because I have another one here in Christiana. So it's gonna be a bit of a hectic morning for me. So today is just to prepare for that. Also, I felt the need to unbox the things that I bought from Sheet Street, because directly, you guys just saw bits and pieces of what I bought, so I thought I should unbox them or just show them to you guys. So yeah, that's it for today. That's what you can expect in this video. So let's get right into the video.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho.
Hi guys, remember I said I wanted to unbox these things with you. These are all the things that I bought from Sheet Street. Let me start with the smallest ones. I bought this rose diffuser. It was on sale. Blankets and red tagens for 75 rand, because guys, you know the water crisis that we have. I don't know if it's just Christiana or it's a crisis, yeah, the whole of South Africa, but we are struggling with water. The toilet, yo, if you have toilet, it's a mess. So I bought these for I bought 3 of these for the toilet, the sitting room, and then the lounge. I'll go at least 3 but I just thought every room needs this. And then I bought this to hang at the back of my door, and I got it for 75 rand also. Is it 75 rand or 70 rand? I got it for 70 rand. This one. Why do I look so dark and so far? So I'm gonna hang it at the back of my bedroom door, and then I'm gonna hang my handbags here. I know it's for clothes, but I wanna hang my handbags, so please allow me. Sorry. And then I bought this one for the bathroom door. When you are busy bathing, you can just hang your gown or whatever you wanna hang here. This is for the bathroom. And then what else is for the bathroom? This is also, it's FA storage set of 3 organizers. I think I'm gonna put yeah, and remember it's for 30 rand. I got it for 30 rand. And then my favorite items, okay, Those that are wrapped like this, you must know they are my favorite items. This is for the lounge, to decorate the TV stand. So we have this. The way I'm so clumsy, I'm afraid I'll drop it. I got it for 45 rand and it's so nice and classy. I bought 2 of them for 45 rand. The initial price, or the original price, was 80 rand. So yeah, it really is worth it. I bought 2 of them. Here's another. Oh, where is the other one? I'm getting a heart attack. Guys, where is the other one? Here, the colored one. But yeah, this is one of the diffusers that I bought. And then, I don't know, I'm worried now. Where is the other one? What happened to it? Because I bought everything 2. We also have these containers. It's a glass container or glass storage. I got it for 45 rand also. This I bought it for my strawberries or anything that needs to be stored in the fridge. You know, put your strawberries, you put water, and then they last for long. That's what I had in mind when I bought these. I also bought 2. I hope, yeah, the friend is here. This is the friend. But I'm worried about my favorite item, the friend not appearing. Okay, guys. Anyway, here's another item that I bought that you guys didn't see me pick up or push it straight. It was also on sale at 65 rand. This is how it looks. It's LD Decor electronic, is it, or electro heart dimple, you know, to decorate the stand. Also, it's gonna sit like this. Do you guys see it? It also has a friend. The friend is here. So I bought 2 of each of these items that I bought. So this is the friend. Yeah, heart. But now I'm really worried about my friend here, my favorite item, not having a friend. I wonder where is the friend. And then I bought these 3-pack kitchen towels for 60 rand. And I bought this one separately because I feel like I love it. I'm gonna use this one a lot. I like it. But really, guys, I'm really worried, hey? Because there's nothing in here. It's just a container. Yeah, diffuser. The diffuser that I opened it in the morning. But I'm really worried. Hi, let me go look for it. Oh, guys, I found it. I almost died. Where? This is my favorite item. What happened? Yo. I really love these. Yo, if I didn't find it, I was prepared to die. Not really, but yeah, I was gonna die slowly. It's a very slow, painful death. I'm kidding. Look at how cute are these, guys. These are so cute, you. Anyway, yeah. Good, I went there. Oh, the most important things that I went to buy. Let me show you. These are the reason I went to Sheet Street. These things. I bought them for my makeup brushes. I'm gonna put my makeup brushes in here. You know, the clean ones, the dirty ones. So anyhow, as to how I ended up with this whole lot, I don't know. I could never know. But Nikile Kushi Street to buy these plastic brush holders. But then it is what it is. yeah, so yeah, thank you guys.
Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fumble. As that day comes, as I go on, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes.
Guys, oh, I'm finally done. I am so tired. And I just realized that I never had anything solid to eat for the whole day. Ntse ke ja bo di-ice guava, bo metsi, like dilo tse di light. I just noticed now that I didn't eat, but it's already late. It's 10:30 now, so I'm having watermelon as my supper, because if I'm to eat now, so I'm just out here to do my outro, to say thank you very much for watching the video until the end. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have a question or a suggestion, please leave it in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified next time I upload another fire video. And until next time, I'll see you guys tomorrow.